everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on New Barton Street in Salford to show you this beautifully presented property. As we come inside, we've got a welcome entrance hallway, and then we have a beautiful living room to the front here, bay fronted, bringing in lots of fantastic natural light, great size in there. And then coming through, this is the second reception room, used as a dining room currently. So the property is spread over 4 fantastic floors, has a cellar and a loft room as well. So the property is 4 bedrooms and has the addition of a loft room as well to the top floor. Now coming out the back, we can see we've got a beautiful low maintenance courtyard here, fantastic seating space there, going nice and low maintenance, and then going down into our cellar, which is the 4th bedroom. So you can see you've got fantastic space here. We've got a window there with our means of escape out if needed, and you can see you've got a great space here, fantastic double bedroom, or if you wanted to use it as an extra reception room, as a 3rd reception room. We've also got the addition of the toilet there for added convenience. Then coming back up the property, and then through dining room, and then coming up to the 1st floor. We have 3 generous bedrooms on this floor. This one overlooking our rear garden. Generous double-sized bedroom in there, and then coming through into the 2nd bedroom on the 1st floor. Currently used as an office, but is an absolutely fantastic space. And then we have this fantastic modern 3-piece bathroom suite. We are situated on New Barton Street, which is a fantastic area. Lots of transport links nearby. We have Aldi within walking distance. You can see this is used as the main bedroom. Ample storage space throughout. And then coming up to our 4th and final floor, we have the loft room again, which is used as a bedroom, could be used as further storage. You can see we've got another double bed in here. So this has been New Barton Street, a fantastic 4-bedroom property situated and laid over 4 fantastic floors. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please call our office.